Next one, find the Fourier series to represent the function f of x is equal to mod sin x in the interval minus pi to pi. So solution, f of x is equal to mod sin x, so it has mod value. So one mod value means it is even function. So let's verify. F of negative x is equal to mod of sin of negative x, close the mod, that is equal to mod of sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So here we have x, so mod of negative sin x. Mod of minus means just same value, mod sin x, that is equal to, this is f of x. So the given function is even function. Just find a0 and an value because it is even function, so automatically bn value is 0. We need to find an value and a0 value by using Euler constants. So here Fourier series f of x formula is a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. This is the Fourier series formula. So put it here, equation number 1. So consider it is equation number 1. Now you need to find a0 value. So a0 is equal to, formula is, this is even function, so 2 by pi, where 0 to pi f of x dx. Here f of x value is mod sin x. So we place here 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x value is mod of sin x dx. So 2 by pi times of integral 0 to pi sin x dx. We know that integral of sin x dx is equal to negative cos x plus c. So a0 is equal to, already here we have 2 by pi times of negative cos x, where the limits are 0 to pi. Now substitute upper limit in x place minus lower limit in x place. Before that it is multiplied by 2 by pi into, so negative taking common, cos pi minus cos 0, upper limit minus lower limit, that is equal to negative 2 by pi times of cos pi. Cos pi value is negative 1 minus cos 0 value is 1. Since cos pi is equal to negative 1 and cos 0 is equal to 1, so that is equal to negative 2 by pi into minus 1, this is minus 2, that is equal to negative into negative positive, 2 2s are 4 by pi, which is equal to a0 value. This is a0 value. We successfully found a0 value. Now we need to find an value, that is equal to, this is formula is 2 by pi times of integral 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. Okay, now 2 by pi times of integral 0 to pi f of x value is mod sin x into cos nx dx. Now that is equal to 2 by pi times of integral 0 to pi cos sin x. Now I am going to remove this mod value, so sin x into cos nx dx value. Now take it into this side, 2 is, take it into this side, that will be 1 by pi integral 0 to pi 2 times of sin x into cos nx dx. See this, observe this integrand, this will be 2 sin a cos b value, that is equal to sin of a plus b plus sine of A minus B. So if we compare these two, here is 2, here also 2, here is sine, here also sine, here is A, here is x. So A is equal to x. And next cos here is nx, but here is B. So B is equal to nx. So substitute A is equal to x and B is equal to nx in the formula. That is equal to this an is equal to 1 by pi times of integral 0 to pi whole into sine A plus B. Sine A is equal to x plus B value is nx plus cosine of A minus B. A is equal to x minus nx whole into dx. You know, that is equal to 1 by pi times of integral 0 to pi sine, taking x common here, 1 plus n into x plus sine of 1 minus n into x whole into dx. Here split the integral, first one and second one. That is equal to whole 1 by pi whole into integral 0 to pi sine of 1 plus n into x dx plus integral 0 to pi sine of 1 minus n into x dx. We know that integral of sine ax dx is equal to negative cos ax by a plus c. So if we compare these two, here a is equal to 1 plus n. The second one also same, but here a is equal to 1 minus n. So replace, substitute in the formula, that is equal to, already here we have 1 by pi whole into negative cos of 1 plus n by 1 plus n minus cos of 1 minus n by 1 minus n, both have same limits, so just write 0 to pi. See here, negative is common, so taking negative common here, minus 1 by pi whole into cos of 1 plus n, sorry I forgot to write here x, here also x, n into x by 1 plus n plus cos of 1 minus n into x by 1 minus n, where 0 to pi. That is equal to an is equal to negative 1 by pi times of cos of 1 plus n into x by 1 plus n plus cos of 1 minus n into x by 1 minus n whole, the limits are 0 to pi. Now substitute upper limit in x place minus lower limit in x place. That is equal to an is equal to negative 1 by pi times of cos of 1 plus n into pi by 1 plus n plus, again here we have x, substitute upper limit here, cos of 1 minus n into pi by 1 minus pi minus, now lower limit, cos of 1 plus n into, here is x, substitute 0 by 1 plus n negative, cos of 1 minus n, here also x, so substitute 0 by 1 minus n, that is equal to 1 by pi, negative 1 by pi whole into, so this can be write like this also, cos of pi plus n pi by 1 plus n plus cos of same, this is also pi minus n pi by 1 minus n minus, this total is cos of 1 plus n into 0 by 1 plus n minus cos of, this is also 1 minus n into 0 by 1 minus n. Therefore we know that cos of n pi plus pi is equal to minus 1 to the power of n plus 1, and cos of n pi minus pi is equal to minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 and cos 0 is equal to 1. So that is equal to negative 1 by pi into, this is like this, so minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus, here we have cos of pi minus n pi, but here is cos of n pi minus pi. We know that cos of theta minus a, we can write cos of a minus theta also. If we taking negative common, cos of minus theta is cos theta. So in that way, this will be cos of pi minus n pi or cos of n pi minus pi, both are same. So minus 1 power n minus 1 whole upon 1 minus n minus cos 0, cos 0 value is 1, 1 by 1 plus n minus 1 by 1 minus n, that is equal to negative 1 by pi whole into, so this is negative 1 power n plus 1 by n 1 plus n plus, here we can write this is minus 1 power n minus 1 into 1 also. So minus 1 power n minus 1 into 1, we can write negative 1 square also. Negative 1 square is 1. 1 into this thing is same. Whole upon 1 minus n minus, here is taking LCM. LCM is n plus 1 into n minus 1. This is n square. So a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Cross multiplication 1 minus n minus this one. 1 plus n. That is equal to, this is negative 1 by pi whole into minus 1 power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus, here is minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 plus 2 whole upon n minus 1. See here, this is a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n formula. So minus, this is removing the negative 1, plus into minus, minus, so this will be 1 minus n minus 1 minus n by 1 square minus n square, so that is equal to minus 1 by pi whole into minus 1 power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus, see here I forgot to write here formula, this is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n formula. So here we are using the same formula. So next here I forgot to tell you one thing, this negative, this one has negative, this one also negative, so this total is multiplied by negative, this is also, so this minus 1 power, this is a n minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1 whole upon 1 minus n, the negative now multiply with the negative, so this is a negative 1, negative into negative positive n whole by, this is a negative 1 negative n by 1 minus n square, so positive negative gets cancelled, that is equal to minus 1 by pi whole into minus 1 power n plus 1. See here, minus 1 power n plus 1 minus 1 power n plus 1 is common, taking common minus 1 to the power of n plus 1, remaining is 1 by 1 plus n plus 1 by 1 minus n minus, so this is both have negative, so negative 1 negative 1 negative 2 by 1 minus n square. The next minus 1 by pi whole into minus 1 power n plus 1, here is again LCM, LCM is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, cross multiplication 1 minus n plus 1 plus n into 1, 1 plus n minus 2 by 1 minus n square. that is equal to an is equal to negative 1 by pi whole into, here is minus 1 power n plus 1 minus 1 power n plus 1 whole into, so here is negative n, positive n cancel, 1 plus 1 is 2, this is 2 whole upon 1 minus n square, negative, here is negative 2 by 1 minus n square, 2 by 1 minus n square. So here is 2, here also 2. So taking common 2 here, taking common 2 from numerator, that is equal to an is equal to negative 2 by pi whole into minus 1 power n plus 1 upon 1 minus n square, negative 1 by 1 minus n square. See here, both denominators are equal, so taking common, this is also negative 2 by pi into 1 minus n square whole into minus 1 power n plus 1 minus 1. Again, if we observe here, a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. Again, here we have to use this formula, that is equal to negative 2 by pi into 1 minus n square whole into negative 1 power n into negative 1 to the power of 1 minus 1. Okay, see here, here we have negative 1, here also negative 1, so taking negative 1 common from this bracket value, above value, that is equal to, that implies an is equal to negative 2 by pi into 1 minus n square minus 1 is common, remaining is minus 1 power n, here minus 1 is common, plus 1. Once, let's see here, minus 1 into minus 1 to the power of n, minus 1 to the power of n into minus 1, minus 1 into plus 1, minus into minus, minus 1 into 1, 1. So an is equal to minus into minus plus 2 into 1, 2 by pi into 1 minus n square whole into minus 1 power n plus 1. This is the a naught value. If we observe here, here we have n. If we substitute n is equal to odd numbers, this will be 0. If we substitute n is equal to even number, let's see here, n is equal to odd numbers, like n is equal to 1, so this will be 0, means a1, this 2 by pi into 1 minus 1 square, this is minus 1 power 1 plus 1, so this will be the 0. If we substitute n is equal to even numbers, like n is equal to 2, 4, like that, so a2 is equal to, this will be 2 by pi into 1 minus 2 square whole into minus 1 power 2 plus 1, that is equal to 2 by pi into, this will be 1 minus 4 into 1 minus 1 square is 1 plus 1, that is equal to, this is 2 by 1 minus 4 is negative 3 pi into 2, that is equal to 2 to the 4 by minus 3 pi. So when we substitute even values, that will be an is equal to 4 by pi into 1 minus n square minus 1 power n plus 1 is a positive values. When you substitute odd values, it will be the 0. So you have to just write your function f of x is equal to mod sin x, and next a naught value is equal to 4 by pi, and an an is equal to 4 by pi into 1 minus n square. So substitute f of x and a naught and an in equation 1. What is equation 1? F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n x. See, we know that n is equal to 1 means if n is equal to odd numbers, an value is 0. So instead of n is equal to 1, you have to write n equal to even numbers. That is equal to f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 2, 4, 6 etc. The power, sorry, n equal to 2, 4, 6 even numbers to summation infinity an cos n x. That is equal to f of x value is mod x, sorry, mod sin x, which is equal to a naught. A naught value is pi by 4, sorry, 4 by pi whole by 2 plus here an value, an means even values is 4 by pi n minus, sorry, 1 minus n square. Summation n is equal to 2, 4, 6 to infinity. This will be 4 by pi into 1 minus n square into cos n x. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is equal to mod sin x is equal to 2 by pi plus here 4 by pi common, 4 by pi is common, summation n is equal to even to infinity cos nx by 1 minus n square. Let's see, substitute n is equal to even numbers. That is equal to mod sin x is equal to 2 by pi plus 4 by pi into cos 2x by 1 minus 2 square plus cos 4x by 1 minus 4 square plus cos 6x by 1 minus 6 square and so on. That is equal to mod sin x is equal to 2 by pi plus 4 by pi whole into cos 2x by negative 3. Right, this is 4 minus 1 minus 4 is negative 3 plus cos 4x by, this is a 16 minus 1 minus 15 plus cos 6x upon 36 minus 1 minus 36 is minus 35 plus so on. So taking negative common from the denominator, that is equal to minus sin, sorry, mod sin x, which is equal to 2 by pi negative, because negative is common, 4 by pi whole into cos 2x by 3 plus cos 4x by 15 plus cos 6x by 35 plus so on. This is the required Fourier series of the given function. Thank you.